me bra here, keeping me man jugs. Well, hey guys, what is happening, and welcome back. Hope you've been enjoying the European tour videos that I've been publishing lately. I don't know how many have I done, 3 or 4. There's about another 6 or 7 to come, so plenty more. It just takes a long time to edit them, so I'm doing it as fast as I can because I don't want you guys to have to wait too long. I know you want to, I know a lot of you like to watch that sort of thing, but it does take its time to edit them, but I don't want it to take months, so I'm trying to get sort of one bashed out every week or at least every 2 weeks. So there's another 6 or 7 of them to come. But the main aim of this video is to let you guys know what's happening soon. In 2 weeks time, or not even, not this weekend, next weekend, so the 27th, 28th and 29th of July, I am going to be riding down to Sauerland to do another vloggers meet. And this time I'm going to be up again with Andymancam. I've met up with him already. If you missed that video that we did together, then in the Harz Mountains, then click the link wherever it is. Check that out. He's coming down from Hamburg along with BulldogGaz. He's another Brit that lives up in Hamburg, relatively new to YouTube, but links to their channels will be in the description. And Teapotone, now Teapotone lives in the UK. He's coming over from the island to meet up with us, and he's a guy that decided to ride around the world on a sports bike, so very interesting. So if you want to check out his stuff or any of their stuff, or familiarise yourself with their channels before you come and meet us, then links to their channels will be in the description. Yeah, so the main plan of attack is that we're all going to be meeting on the 27th, which is a Friday, but we're all going to be meeting up of an evening. We're all going to get there sort of late after work, so nothing much is going to happen then. But for most importantly for you guys is the 28th. Now, we've done a few meetups before, and I know Andy, he's done a few more and did some in the UK. But a lot of his German subscribers showed an interest in doing a meetup here, so that's what we've decided to do. We're not sure entirely how many sort of German subscribers we have. I know I definitely have a few, and so if anybody's interested, we're going to be going down on the 28th to Dimmelsee. Links to where we're going to be stopping are in the description, and the timings that we're going to be there. Now we're going to be aimed to be there sort of 12 o'clock and stay there for an hour and a half. We want to meet you guys. That's the best thing about this sort of thing, is chatting to you blokes, interacting with everybody from the channel, and to try and put some sort of names to faces, because a lot of people do continuously comment, so it'd be nice to meet up with some of you, put some names to faces, and just have a bit of a chin wag. And the second reason I'm out today is I've got some new wellies on the bike. Put some new rubber on last week, so I've got to get that scrubbed in, or them scrubbed in, before I go and bugger about with the other guys. So I've just got to take it a bit ginger the first sort of 100 Ks or so, just to get them scrubbed in. Went out yesterday and did a few Ks, but it wasn't long, because I don't want to be going out thrashing around Sauerland with them blokes on properly shiny fresh tyres. So yeah, so how do you like the gimbal? I'm loving the gimbal. I don't use it that much, but on some of the videos a lot of you commented and said stick your gimbal on more, but it's a bit of a, obviously it's a bit of a knob, isn't it, on you, hanging off your chest. And I've been trying to get it as high as possible, because on some of the videos it's been too low, and with the tank bag on, I have to take my tank bag because I carry batteries and camera equipment. I need to get it higher, so I've tried to get me bra straps as tight as they'll go, just so it's higher, just so we can see over the screen, because the stabilisation you get, and the you know, when you're on it and you crank the bike over quite a lot, it's fantastic. But yeah, the logistics of it is a bit of a nose, and as you see, it's quite close to my lid, so when I'm moving around on the bike I knock it with my helmet, but it is cool as hell. Yeah, so if any of you can make it at all, any of you can take the time to come up and meet us, we'd all love to see you guys up there. And as I said, it'd be great to put some names to faces. Yeah, so if you're up for it and you're in the area, then come past and say hello, and I'll see you next time.